Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? This is your boy Kingsley from Obinnar.com. So today is not a tutorial based video. I just wanted to take you guys on a quick tour about my website. But before we dive straight into that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. I create videos on this channel about tech, blogging, how to make money online, and so many other stuff. So consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon beside it and turn on all notifications so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this awesome channel. So thank you guys for everything, for all the love. I've seen your questions and I'm walking through all those questions. I'm putting I'm putting a lot of tutorials coming up very soon. I'm putting the videos up very soon, so expect a lot of videos and a lot of questions to be answered very soon because I'm working on all those videos. But in today's video is a quick one. I just wanted to show you guys a quick thought about my website Obinnar.com. So it will be the first link in the description below. So go to the website Obinnar.com. I'm going to show you all the benefits you can gain. So if you come to the website, if you're brought to this screen, what you're going to do is to enter your email address. As you can see on the screen here, it says, "We are glad to have you on board. Sign up and never miss our giveaways and our updates." So if you don't want to miss any giveaway from me and any updates from me, all you need to do is when you log on to my website and you're brought to this screen, just enter your email address and click join now, and go back to your email address and confirm that you imputed your email address on the website. So recently our website just got Adsense approval, like I showed you guys in the other video. As you can see, it says here your site Obinnar is now ready to show Adsense ads. So if you go to the website, whether you're mobile or desktop view, you're going to see Adsense ads on the website, and that is awesome. And I'm going to show you exactly what you stand to gain on the website. So like I said earlier on, if you log on to the website and brought to this screen, enter your email address and click join now so that you won't miss any giveaway and any updates from me. So once that is done, this is the website. Okay, so I've published a lot of articles here and I'm keep publishing. So I'm writing a lot of articles recently and I'm going to publish it right here. So what you're gonna do right there is come to the website. You're gonna on this bar, you're going to see, on the menu bar, you're going to see e-commerce tips, how to make money online tips, how to guides, reviews, and the rest of them. So these are all the things I'm writing content about, and I'm looking forward to expanding the website as well. So this is the recent post here. We have complete review of Google site plus added bonus, that is how to build amazing website using Google Sites. So if you want to read this article, just click on it and you're gonna see it's a well detailed article explaining Google site review. As you can see, this is the article. It has all the things you need, all the features, easy price, whether it's a good or bad option for you, limitations, and you can also watch some of the YouTube videos are published right here on the website. So as you can see here, that is the website. Okay, so you can get how to make money online tips. If you click on it, you're going to you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to see so many articles that I've written about how to make money online. So basically this is from Nigerians, but I'm adding more content from worldwide method. Okay, so how to make money anywhere in the world and e-commerce tips anywhere in the world. So I'm going to expand the website. I'm going to add more content. So let's say you're looking for domain name. Okay, so this bar here said search for a domain name now. So you can find the domain name starting from 0.88 cents. Okay, all you need to do is to enter the domain name and hit search. So okay, let me do a quick example for you guys. Let's say I want to buy happy.com. Okay, so let's see if it's available. Okay, so I'll just click on search. So what this is going to do is going to take us to where we are going to see if the domain name is available or not. So this feature, I added it on the website, so you can always use that feature to search your for your domain. Now a quick one, that is an affiliate link of Namecheap. So if you use that link, I'll get a little commission for your buy. As you can see, the domain name is not available, and that's it. So also another important feature here is this contact us page. So if you come to the website, you can contact me directly, and this will enter my inbox immediately, and I'll get the information of what you want me to do for you. So you can enter your name, your email address, and your message and hit submit, and I'm going to get that straight up, and I'm going to answer you as fast as possible. As you can see, this is what we have on the website. I want you guys to visit the website and read content on the website, because like I said earlier on, I'm going to expand the website more and more and more, and I'm going to add more and more features to it. And you guys, all this thing I'm going to do is for you guys, so that I'll help you guys, serve you guys better. So if you need a free domain name, you can read this article, and you get guide on how to get a free domain name. If you want to know more about Grammarly, you can click on this and learn more about Grammarly Chrome extension and how it's going to help you. And if you want to know more about e-commerce templates for blogger, you can click here, and you're gonna see e-commerce template for blogger. So there's a whole lot of things on the website. So I want you guys to visit the website. Like I said, the name of the website is kingobinnar.com. It's a blog where I share content, and I want you guys to visit it as well. So I'm glad you enjoyed today's video. Like I said earlier on, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's very important, and I'm going to be dropping more and more videos for you guys to answer your questions and to show you a lot of things about WordPress and how you can start an e-commerce website and the rest of them. So thank you very much for watching this quick video. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the website, and also on different other channels that we have. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, like I said, turn on the bell icon, and I'm going to be dropping more videos. Like I've said this time over and over again. I'm going to be dropping more videos to answer your questions, and to also show you more and more e-commerce solution that will help you for your business and help you for what you do. So this website is very handy if you want to get quick if you want to get a quick guide on how to do it, certain things. You can come to this website and check it out. So it's kingobinnar.com. The link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.